Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle chain lube on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Best Motorcycle Chain Lube Reviews. DuPont is synonymous with high-performance, technologically driven lubricants that'll meet your specific chain lubrication needs. This particular product from the company is a motorcycle chain cleaner and lube, with both self-cleaning and lubrication properties. When inside the can, the lube is in the state of 100% dry film formula, but on getting out of the can, it becomes wet to allow for easy penetration into your chain components. And once applied, it settles into a dry, clean, white micro-thin coating. This lube will not fling off, even when driving your motorcycle at top speeds. The lube comes incorporated with Teflon coating, which helps keep dust, dirt, and debris from sticking onto your chain. Moreover, the formula contains moly, which gives the lube excellent water and wear-resistant properties. This DuPont can withstand incredibly high temperatures, as high as 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's sure to get rid of all the squeaking sound that comes from your bike chain. It's also O-ring safe. Other than motorcycle chains, you can use it for mower hinges, locks, outdoor power equipment, and more. Highlighted features: dirt-resistant chain lubricant, water-resistant properties, non-staining lube, contains Teflon and moly for anti-wear, no fling-off, O-ring safe. Number 2. Our second best pick is Maxima 74920 Chain Wax. If you're looking for the best motorcycle chain lube that works with all types of chains, O, X, and Z ring, this Maxima Chain Wax will do for you. The superior power spray lubricant comes in a variety of sizes to help you choose one that meets your needs or fits in your tank bag. We featured this chain lube on our list due to the great rust and corrosion resistance properties it presents you with. It boasts of a special parafilm formula which lets you spray it as a liquid for easy penetration and spread around your motorcycle chain moving parts. Eventually, it settles into a soft waxy film. Overall, this exclusive formulation helps make the lube easier to use while ensuring all parts of your chain are well lubricated. Another reason we love this lube is the fact that it comes packed with heavy-duty, anti-wear, and extreme pressure additives, all of which work together to form superior lubrication for your chain, sprockets, and cables. Highlighted features: superior power spray lubricant, forms wax film for long-term protection, anti-wear, extreme pressure additives, penetrates deep into your chain, suitable for all chain and cable lubrication, does not attract dirt, dust, sand, etc. Number 3. Our third best pick is PJ 113-ounce Blue Label Motorcycle Chain Lube. If you can't figure out the perfect chain lube to use for O-rings chains, try this lube today. The lubricant is specially designed to easily penetrate and protect O-rings, keeping them moist, protected, and rolling with minimal resistance. We all know that some lubes are a pain to apply, but this PJ one isn't one of them. It comes designed for easy application, so you take less time maintaining your chain and more time cruising around with your baby. The lube penetrates deep into the O-rings effortlessly, where it offers much needed protection and lubrication. It works wonders when it comes to reducing shock and friction on your chain. This means less wear, and you'll not need to make a lot of adjustments on your chain. Since the lube's formula is also designed to repel and displace water, rusting and corrosion will not get way into your chain. That's why it can also work as the best motorcycle chain cleaner. The petroleum base assumes a clear form, and once applied, it won't fly off, ensuring extended protection and prolonged chain life. If you want to safely and adequately lubricate O-ring chains for maximum efficiency, minimal rolling resistance, and the ultimate longevity, this is the chain lube for you. Highlighted features: easy, hassle-free application, penetrated and protects O-rings, reduces chain friction and shock, protects against rust and corrosion, won't fly off for extended protection. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lucas Oil 10393 Chain Lube Penetrant Aerosol. Lucas Penetrant Aerosol is another best motorcycle chain lubricant with favorable pricing. It's a semi-synthetic spray lubricant designed to meet the demands of your high-performance motorcycle chain and sprocket. One thing that keeps this aerosol lubricant ahead of the pack is its easy application, deep penetration ability. This is made possible by its foam style, which enables it to easily find its way around X and O rings, and the deeper the penetration, the better the performance. Once it reaches its destination, this lube will become dry and form a protective film that excellently repels dirt, dust, rust, corrosion, and drag. It also has excellent water-resistant properties which further aids in resisting rust and extending its lifespan. Oh! Don't forget that this chain lube has undergone rigorous tests by professionals as well as competitive race teams to ensure it's the perfect lubricant for keeping your chain in excellent condition for an extended period of time. Highlighted features: penetrates deep into chain rings, bushings, keeps off rust and corrosion, excellent water resistance, extends chain and amp, sprocket life. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Motul M/C Care Factory Line Chain Lube. This Motul chain lube comes specially designed for road racing chains. It can work with O, Z, and X ring chains. The chain lube is unlike most of the other lubes in this list in that it comes in paste form. You'll notice a brush applicator tip that helps you easily apply the lube on your road racer chain. Most people complain that this lube comes in a 5.07 ounce package, unlike other lubes with the same price tag which comes in almost twice the amount. However, this doesn't make any significance since the paste is much easier to spread than the spray lubes, so you'll only need a small amount to adequately lubricate your chain. You might even be surprised to discover that this lube will outlast most spray lubes out there. The brush application tip is sure to make things easy when applying this lube on your motorcycle chain. The paste's milky color makes it easy for you to see where you've lubricated, making your whole job even easier. Once you apply this lubricant, it stays on the chain for a pretty long time for continued chain protection and efficiency. Highlighted features: specially formulated for road racing, compatible with O, X, and Z rings, milky color for increased visibility, brush applicator tip for easy application, compact design, easily fits in your bike pack. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.